There's glitter on her face.
You always look cute.
I'm okay.
Hey guys, their girlfriend and boyfriend.
We got the cherries on deck.
It looks like a butt.
Okay, we got popcorn,
Yeah, we got some popcorn right here.
fruit snacks, Pop Tarts.
Oh, you dropped this. That was just rude.
You're like making noise. Got some cherries,
Pringles,
Pringles,
potato chips.
and
But most importantly, we got the
Pretzels.
empty water bottle.
we got the empty water bottle. Oh, no. Sorry, that's not your cup. This is your cup.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take it fast.
And we have pretzels. White
We got
pretzels.
yogurt covered.
White
pretzels.
pretzels.
Butt cheek. Butt cheek. Butt cheek. You want a butt cheek?
Crying.
You want a butt cheek?
I'm okay.
You want a butt cheek?
You better not choke on the
Enjoy in your
seed. Don't choke on the seed.
I know. I was like, what am I?
We in the back. It's all shady back here. Behind the scenes lighting effects.
Is that great? Is that doing?
We're gonna do, after the video, we're gonna do a photo shoot.
Yes, ma'am. That sounds like a whole plan.
You
I'll
do
be
it.
the photographer.
Oh no.
What does that
Yeah.
mean?
I'm the one who takes the
I don't
pictures.
feel like getting cute right now though.
You already are cute. You
We
could
can
literally
just
take a
take
photo.
pictures of
You could
Grace.
literally take a photo shoot of you waking up, and it would still come out like 10 out of 10.
It's a butt that's pooping now. It's a butt that's pooping. It's a butt that's pooping. It's a butt that's pooping.
Booping.
Where even are the crickets?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
The cats bring them in and play with them.
Speaking of cats, where's the vine?
Um,
Let me smash
She's
it.
not lost. Is she? Want some?
I'll take some. Thank you. Popcorn is
totally.
gas too.
He's cray cray.
A little bit.
I'm not great.
I've yet to see.
You don't want to see.
Maybe I do. Woke up at 9.
You go to school and work.
No.
I do.
Well, I got kicked out of school, Grace.
I got kicked out of school when I went back to school.
I never got kicked out of school.
Keep it that way.
Who wants some?
I got the Pringles.
Whoever wants Pringles, get the Pringles from here. We're selling some food.
We are?
Apparently.
Apparently.
I mean, I could be a great salesperson for our food. I mean, I already sell. So, that's my job, as much as I hate it now. When I came back from my dad's house from the summer, I did not think I'd come back to sell knives.
I thought you like sold like.
You think you're gonna come back to me?
No, cause you started texting me like 2 days before
Yeah.
I came back, and I was like, oh,
Oh.
okay,
wow.
this could be nice.
Oh. Ah.
Yeah, well,
Not smart. I've done that so many times.
done
Then
what?
what?
You sat on that thing, right? And it hurt? Yeah.
I was like, ah.
There's like this whole area. Why'd you just sit right there?
What?
There's this whole area to sit, and you sit right there.
With my friends. Yeah, we were playing.
I'm not your friend.
No, me.
I'm not your friend.
No, you're my friend. You're my best friend and my sister.
I'm not your friend.
Aw.
Aww.
Oh, I dropped the chip.
I'm not your friend.
Okay.
I'm your sister.
Yes! Sister power.
When you grow up, she'll be
Sister
your best friend.
power.
Definitely.
Trust me, when I grew up, my little brother became my best friend.
You have a little brother. How old is he?
He's about to turn 16.
He's 15.
Yep.
So my sister is older than
Yep.
him.
And I just turned 18. Like,
She's 17 and you're 18.
it works.
it's like a photo shoot where we're like
I could totally see you doing that.
jazz
photo
hands
shoot.
down. Jazz hands. Ready? Put your jazz hands down. Look at.
Wow.
I'm gonna eat your heart in pieces. Ready?
Do it.
That was mine. It hurt. It hurt. Look what she did. She took
Here,
it to
I'll
pieces.
take her heart out and then give you.
Alright, good as new.
Oh, she took it
Oh,
back.
she snatched it from me. I don't know how I feel about
You
that.
know what? Let's
Now I ain't
just
got a
all
soul.
share your heart. Now we all have, at least a little bit.
Glue, glue, glue.
Fine. I'll just have to steal your soul.
I'll steal it back. I'll break your neck in half.
Okay.
You want me to get out my knife? Give me a knife.
I got knives in my trunk.
Give me your knife. Got a knife?
Oh, no. You know what? Fruit snack attack.
Oh, you got fruit snacks in here?
What? That's all?
That's all. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Girl, the amount of times that you have. Oh. Girl.
You guys are I'm gonna hit the road. Oh,
Like
score.
always.
Oh, now look what you did.
I'm breaking you guys' heart in half. and eating it.
Well, whose heart was that?
You know what I think about that?
Okay. I mean, if you take the opportunity, you can say you stole my heart right now.
Ready? I shall curse.
You can.
Now I'm taking yours.
Yeah, you could have stole my heart, but like, it didn't work out that way.
I already stole it. I mean,
That's facts.
I'm gonna go potty. See you later, vlog.